Meaning of heavy petting.
Heavy petting.
Heavy petting.
Heavy petting.
Heavy petting. Heavy petting is a term used to describe intimate physical contact between two people, usually kissing and touching each other in a sexual way without actually engaging in sexual intercourse. This type of activity can be a form of foreplay that leads to sexual intercourse, but it may also be practiced on its own as a way to express affection and intimacy. While heavy petting is not considered to be a sexually transmitted disease risk, it can still lead to emotional and physical consequences, including unplanned pregnancy and the transmission of sexually transmitted infections.